There's a thin line between good and bad. I walk that line every single day. When I stray from it, people die. My name is Bruce Banner, and this is me. I'm not a person anymore. I'm the Hulk. I did this to myself, all in the name of science. This is me, and all that I've become. I'm a big, green time bomb, and I'm ticking.
Welcome to the Hulk Survival Program. In this series of exercises, you will approximate Hulk's basic abilities, the implication being that when facing the Hulk in direct combat, you will have the advantage of knowing his capabilities through your VR experience. Hulk excels at destruction. Try running into various obstacles here to get a sense of the creature's power. While this is merely a virtual representation of the beast, be reminded that Hulk is actually capable of most feats demonstrated here. Another example of Hulk's immense strength, he seems capable of picking up virtually any object in his path. Approach any object and press the grab-throw control to lift it. Pressing the special button will activate Hulk's more advanced techniques, unleashing everything he's got. These will often launch or stun any one hit. As with Hulk's other techniques, holding the button will increase the power of each technique. It is vitally important you research Hulk's various combat abilities. He's not only powerful, but extremely fast. When in close, do not hesitate against him. Fight to win. Consult your field manual for a complete list of Hulk's known combat techniques. Once the beast has located a perceived threat, he will launch objects with no regard for human life. Tap or hold the designated grab-throw button to launch an object at your target. Press and hold the target button to target. It should be noted that Hulk frequently uses heavy objects as missiles. These can be thrown with devastating power and accuracy. For targets at great distances, pressing and holding the grab-throw button will hit targets at greater distances.
We're still in control. All systems are a go, Control. Ready to deploy, Control. It's coming at us! It's gonna hit! Pick something up!
Requesting